All right, I'm here finding out some really nasty stuff about this MacBook Pro with the M2 chip. And the first order of business, and I'm sure you'll see this very soon in all the Reddit columns and stuff like that, is the speed of that hard disk. Now, this is the base model. The base model that was available to order and to ship and to deliver by June 24th, which is today. If you change the configuration at all, if you customized it, the delivery date got pushed all the way to August. So, because we have this one to test with, I'm wondering if Apple was getting rid of some really old hardware, and specifically the SSDs. Did they shove old SSDs in here just to get rid of them? Maybe. Let me show you what I'm talking about here. Right here I have the brand new M2, nothing on it except for Chrome as far as software. And this is a brand new machine with a new hard drive, new SSD. Okay? This one is almost 2 years old now. It's in MacBook Air M1. Let's take a look at these SSD speeds. So I'm gonna kick these off, and you'll see that the MacBook Air reaches 2,900 in write speeds and 2,900, almost 3,000 in read speeds. Let's just call it 3,000 and 3,000, okay? Just for simplicity. I'll take a look at this one. The M2 with the old 256 gigabyte SSDs, and I put old in quotes because I don't really know. But this one's 1,400 and 1,400, which is pretty sad. They took an old body, potentially old SSDs, shoved it into here with a brand new chip, and they're trying to sell this machine. I mean, it's a nice chip, and you've seen my web test, maybe. If you haven't, check it out, and I'll be doing more tests with this chip for sure, so consider subscribing if you want to see those. But the SSD, come on. Come on, Apple. All right, folks, I'll see you next time.